Welcome to this real-world performance test for the Peugeot 208 GTI. So it's a 1.6 litre engine, developed 205 brake horsepower, and is able to do 0 to 60 in 6.5 seconds. So it's a quick car. What we're going to do is jump inside the car. I'm just going to run through a bit more information as to what we're going to do, but we'll take the car for a drive so that you can see how it gets on the open road. Okay, so now they're inside the car, we're going to be focusing the camera's attention on the digital display here. So you can see the rev counter on the left and the digital speedometer in the middle. That's where I'm going to try and focus the camera's attention, as I say. Now we're going to take the car for a drive. We're not going to be kind of, breaking any land speed records, and obviously we'll be sticking to the legal limits. This is really just to show you how easily this car can get from, sort of 0 to 30 or 20 to 50. But let's take the car for a drive and see how we get on from there. So the first test we're going to do is a 0 to 40 miles an hour test. It's turning right out of a junction, so the kind of 0 to 10 part of the test will actually be relatively slow, but then we'll accelerate from there, and I'll see, show you how quickly it can get up to 40 miles an hour. Okay, so this next test is going to be a test of 0 to 50 miles an hour. Again, we're pulling out of a junction, so the first part of the test will be relatively slow just until we get the car straight, and then I'll accelerate from there. So here we go now. There we go. As you can see, it did that really easily. And with this sort of small steering wheel that the GTI has, I can tell you it's a lot of fun to drive as well. Okay, so this time we're going to do a rolling start in second gear from 20 to 50. And again, you can see it did that really easily.